Question number 121. Hydrocolloids. Hydrocolloids are usually produced by the members of plant kingdom, and these are the water absorbing substances. Let's see. A are water holding substances. Absolutely true. B also includes agar. Along with agar, there are other examples for the hydrocolloids, and these can be algin, as seen in the brown alga, and even carrageen, which is seen in the red alga. So second statement is also true. C are produced by Gelidium and Gracilaria. Absolutely correct. Gelidium and Gracilaria are the members of Rhodophyceae, and they produce agar, which is used in the production of ice creams and jellies. So all these three statements are correct for the hydrocolloids. Which of the above following statements are true? So all of these are true, and the correct answer of this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 122. Order of Mangifera indica is? Mangifera indica is scientific name for mango. And we know that the order of mango is Sapindales. Let's see the other options. Poales. Poales is the order for wheat. Third, Polymoniales. Polymoniales order includes the families like Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae. These two families are specifically mentioned in your NCERT. Fourth, Anacardiaceae. Anacardiaceae is the family for Mangifera indica. So correct answer of this question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 123. Find the correctly matched pair. First, Chlorophyceae. Asexually reproduce by zoospores. Absolutely correct. Second, Phaeophyceae always show complex post-fertilizational developments. This is incorrect because it is a peculiar feature of Rhodophyceae. Third, Rhodophyceae entherozoids are flagellated male gametes. This is also incorrect because Rhodophyceae produces non-motile gametes. Fourth, Chlorophyceae. Characteristic color is due to phycocyanin. This is incorrect. Phycocyanin provides a characteristic color to the cyanobacteria. So the correctly matched pair over here is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 124. Which kingdom forms a link with the members of plants, animals and fungi according to R.H. Whitaker's classification? We know that R.H. Whitaker classification divided the organisms into 5 kingdoms. First, Monera. Second, Protista. Third, fungi. Fourth, Plantae. And fifth, Animalia. And we know that the members of Protista form a link between the members of plants, animals and fungi. But which group of Protista? So, the correct answer is slime molds. And what is the reason for this? Because in slime molds, the spores have cellulosic cell wall, and presence of cellulosic cell wall is a characteristic feature of plant members. Secondly, it do not have cell wall in Plasmodium. absence of cell wall is a characteristic feature of the animal members. And third and most important, presence of fruiting bodies. Presence of fruiting bodies is a peculiar feature of fungal members. So, the correct answer of this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 125. How many of the following statements are correct? Let's see. A. Pollen grain is reduced male gametophyte in gymnosperms. Absolutely correct statement. B. Archegonia is female sporophyte in pteridophytes. This is incorrect. C. The male or female strobili are born on the same tree in cycas. This is incorrect because cycas is dioecious, in which the male and the female plants are different. D. Ovules are present only in angiosperms. This is also incorrect because they are present in angiosperms as well as in gymnosperms. So what is the major difference? In angiosperms, the ovule is surrounded by ovary, which later on forms the fruit. Whereas in gymnosperm, the ovule is not covered by any ovary. That's why we say that in gymnosperm, the seeds are naked. E. In gymnosperms, pollens are transferred via air currents. Absolutely correct. So out of these 5, only 2 statements were correct, and the correct answer of this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 126. The non-vascular terrestrial plants. Now, it's clearly mentioned that the plants are terrestrial as well as non-vascular, which means it's talking about bryophytes. We have to select a feature which is completely correct for bryophyte. First, our first embryophytes, absolutely correct. Second, possess diploid spores. This is incorrect as they possess haploid spores. Third, are heterosporous. This is also incorrect because they are always homosporous and produce only one kind of spores. Fourth, have free living sporophyte. This is incorrect because they have a sporophyte dependent on free living gametophyte. So, the correct answer of this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 127. Which bryophyte has been employed by gardeners to keep the seedlings moist? Let's see the options. Sphagnum, Marchantia, Polytrichum, Funaria. The correct answer is sphagnum. Why so? Because it has water absorbing and retaining properties. Due to this particular feature of sphagnum, it was also used in World War II for surgical dressing instead of the cotton, and also is known as cotton moss. Let's proceed with the next question. Question number 128. Which of the following is not true with respect to cyanobacteria? First, they are true bacteria. Yes, they come under the category of eubacteria. Second, they are majorly decomposers. This is incorrect because they are majorly photoautotrophic. Third, they have a rigid cell wall. Absolutely true. Fourth, they are also referred as blue-green algae. Absolutely correct. So the incorrect statement for the cyanobacteria is given in option number 2, and it is the correct answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. Question number 129. Coralloid roots are found in. Before answering this, we should know what are coralloid roots. Coralloid roots are dichotomously branched roots which do have a symbiotic association with the cyanobacteria like Anabaena. And this Anabaena helps in the nitrogen fixation. Presence of coralloid root is a peculiar feature of the cycas plant. So if we analyze all the options, the correct answer of this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 130. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Let's see. Amoeboid protozoans. Amoeboid protozoans have silica shells in the marine forms. B. Diatoms. Diatoms float passively in the water current. C. Ciliated protozoan. Best example is Paramecium. They have a cavity or gullet. D. Dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates have, most of them have 2 flagella. So if we analyze all the options, the correct answer of this question would be option number 2.